Hi, everyone. It's David Nguyen, immigration attorney here in Houston, Texas. Today, I want to talk about something alarming that's happening at local asylum offices. Interviews are being canceled, and it may be tied to a disturbing new trend. So, what happened today? One of my clients was scheduled for her asylum interview. Here's a video of me driving up to her interview. We showed up on time, we prepared, and we were told that the interview was canceled. No explanation. Before we arrived, I had already warned the client that there were reports that interviews were also canceled yesterday. So what's really going on? A few weeks ago, I made a video about ICE arrests happening after immigration court hearings. Later, I made a video about arrests happening after green card interviews. Now it seems like ICE may be arresting asylum applicants after their asylum interviews, even if they've done everything right. I haven't seen official news articles about this yet, but a colleague told me that it happened to someone she knows. And based on what I'm seeing, I suspect asylum offices may be canceling interviews to avoid alarming people in the waiting room, especially if applicants go in and they don't go back out because they're being detained by ICE. This is just my theory, but logistically, it all makes sense. So what should you know if you have a pending asylum case? If you haven't had your interview yet, here are 5 important tips to protect yourself. 1, bring your own interpreter. If you need an interpreter, you must bring one yourself and make sure they're trained on immigration procedures. Otherwise, they could be deemed disqualified on the spot. 2, check for changes in asylum law. Asylum laws change and they change very fast. In 2018, under the first Trump administration, his attorney, Jeff Sessions, ruled that domestic violence survivors no longer qualified for asylum. And just recently, on July 18 of this year, the government ruled that gender alone is no longer enough. That means women fleeing sexual abuse or gender-based harm may no longer qualify, all due to the Trump administration. 3, hire an attorney. If you don't have one, get one. Laws change, and by the time you go in for your actual asylum interview in a few years, the rule that made you eligible may no longer apply. A good attorney can help you explore other legal options. 4, explore other types of immigration relief. If you have other applications pending, like a VAWA case, TPS, or a family-based petition, it may reduce your chances of being arrested by ICE after your interview. Multiple cases show that you're actively pursuing legal status. And 5, don't wait to prepare. A strong asylum case takes time. Your attorney needs to help you review your declaration, gather evidence, research current case laws, and to write a legal brief to explain how you qualify, and most importantly, prepare you for the actual interview. Don't wait until the last minute. Here are my final thoughts. This is a tough time for asylum seekers. ICE arrests are happening after court hearings and now after interviews for asylum seekers. If you're in this process, stay informed, stay prepared, and get legal help. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments or reach out to my office. Again, this is attorney David Nguyen. Thanks for watching Winning Law, and we hope that we have made immigration easier to understand.